How to fix Resident Evil Requiem is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library and right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now in the general tab you want to add to the launch options -dx11 like this, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. Now once this is done you can close Steam and open up a new browser tab. Now search for redistributables and click on the first link and scroll down to the second table. Now download and install the 86 and the 64 of the redistributables, both of them. Now when you finish installing these, it will ask you to restart your computer. And after the restart, you want to check if you have the latest graphics card updates installed. So if you have an NVIDIA graphic card, you can use the NVIDIA app, or you can use the AMD software if you have AMD. You can go to drivers and game ready driver and check for the latest updates and make sure to install them. Now you can open up Steam as admin by searching for Steam and right click on run as admin. And then you can try to launch the game from your library. And if the game is still crashing at startup, what you can do is disable any overlays. You can go to the settings on Steam and then in-game and turn off the overlay from here. You'll also need to turn off any other overlays such as Discord. You can go to user settings on Discord, scroll down to game overlay and turn it off from here. You can also turn off the MSI Afterburner or Riva Static Tuner if you have them installed, and the NVIDIA as well or AMD software if they have overlays enabled. Go to settings and then turn off the overlay from here. And then you can try to restart your computer again and launch the game from your library. And this should solve the crash at the startup if you have them. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.